iPhone 5S. Yeah, it's really cool iPhone. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take a picture of this to remember this time when I'm recording. But I'm just gonna tell you that we're making some new Nerf videos, like with maybe some Vortex gun, last video, or with some of the S-Drake Elite guns that you saw last video. We're gonna introduce a couple more guns, and a couple more later videos. But yeah, I'm just gonna say yeah. See ya. Bye.